Hi, Darren from Rage Guitars here. So I've got some stories about these two. I like it when a guitar comes in the story. So, very nice old chap came in with this. He was born and grew up as a child in India, and he's brought in this and this to see what we can get going. So they were both purchased in the 1960s. This was his first guitar. It's got loads of wear down there, so you could see he was doing a lot of chords and things. And then he has a story about getting sent away. This was red, sent away to boarding school, which he didn't enjoy. And when he got back, his mum had painted the guitar, which is really kind of cool. So we've been trying to see if we can get it working again, but unfortunately, it's not in the best shape. So it's going to be an ornament. So it's been cleaned up, new strings. As soon as you put any tension on the strings, the whole top of the guitar lifts up and the bridge looks like it'll come off. So honestly, it's beyond me. There's a big split here. So an heirloom piece of art, most likely. This other one, again, came with him from India, purchased in the 60s. It's a Japanese-made Hokada. And it's been sat around for a very, very long time. And what he wants to do is get it working and give it to his grandson. So we've got a few issues in the fact there was no saddle. Sorry about that, interrupted by the dog barking. So a few issues. It came along with no saddle, no bridge pins. So I've taken some measurements with these calipers. What's really cool about this bridge is that you can actually move the saddle up and down. So once it's in, you've got some adjustment. It's a strange size, so I'm going to have to order a blank and then shape it, make it the right size. And again, the bridge pins, he's asked for ebony, and they are again a strange size. They're called 1.3s, and you can get hold of them, but in ebony they cost a lot. So I might, as a first shot, have a go at shaving some other slightly larger pins down to size. And then we're going to replace the plastic nut with a bone nut. Everything else looks good. So, yeah. A passage from India.